What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Excuse how I look like. I just came back from Memphis, really this morning. But while I was in Memphis, I had ordered platinum door panels, OEM, of course. So today we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna be installing the platinum door panels on my truck. And let me show you the door panels real quick. There are. This one came off a crashed truck. It was perfect condition, to be honest. The leather is perfect. The sway right here and the speaker grill, it comes with everything, and also the door handle and the buttons, of course. And then this one is brand new from the dealership, but I got it. I'm gonna tell you the prices. This one I bought it off Facebook Marketplace for $120, brand new out the box. And that's why this one doesn't come with any of the trim pieces. You can see. And then this one, like I said, I bought it off a crash truck on eBay, and I'm putting it along with this website, because some of y'all don't know where I can get these parts of. This one I got it off eBay, and that one I got it off Facebook Marketplace. This one on eBay, shipped all the way to my house, was $270. At first the seller had it marked at $275 plus shipping. So I would have still had to pay shipping on it. But I got him down to $250, and then I just paid $20 for the shipping. So technically I saved myself like $20, because I would have ended up paying like $290, almost $300. So, but I just paid $270 out the door, shipped all the way to my house. They're also perfect condition. So let's get started on this install, guys. So when the story is, you're gonna take off this cover right here. It just clips, and then it has a 7mm right here. And then you're gonna have to take off this little trim piece right here. And it has two 7mm bolts as well right here. And then you come in the bottom, and I see another 7mm, and also as well over here. I'm pretty sure on this one it has someone as well, but I'll see right now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna start taking it off, and we should be good. You can see, guys, I already took out the door panel, and my door does have sound deadening for my sound system all over on the door panel. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna get a wet rag and clean all this stuff up, just so it can be clean underneath. I can kind of see how my setup has the speaker, and then sound deadening all around it. It basically just reduces the rattle on the doors, and gives you a little bit more better sound coming out of the truck. You can see. But let me clean this up, guys, and then we're gonna start installing the other panel, and I'm gonna see how the switches work and everything. Guys, this is my old door panel, and there's a new one. And you can see they had to take off this panel for my single cab door, because this obviously has the 4 buttons, and the connector is way bigger than the one I have. So you can see the difference. So all you have to do is just pop these out from the back. All it has is clips. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. This has a bunch of clips. You can see, guys. All you have to do is pop them up from the bottom, from the back. Just pop them all the way out. So, and just be careful with the panel. You don't want to mess it up, like the leather and any other stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I am gonna keep this one just in case, because I do want to do the auto fold mirrors on my truck. And this one has all that stuff where it auto folds them. So I'm gonna keep this just in case, so I can take it to my boy Barrones and see what he can do to make this work. So I don't know what he does to make this work, but I really want this on my truck. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep this just in case. All right, guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, this is how the panel looking like. And to be honest, it does have a way better feeling than having just a bunch of plastic to rest your arm on. Cause I mean, this is a lot of cushion right here with leather. It just feels a lot better. And you can see it unlocks everything how it should, up and down. Everything. You do have to swap out your controls from the single cab one to the platinum door panel, just because it does have different connectors on there. This one's fully complete. On that side, I'm gonna show you real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. So there's a door panel on this side. I am missing the speaker grill right here, but I already ordered that. It should be here by Wednesday. And also the chrome door handle, I also ordered that one as well. But same thing, you want to go ahead and transfer all your switches to the new door panel. Simple process. Way better feeling having this door panel than having all plastic one. The next thing, I already have the platinum door seals. I do need the platinum seats. We're gonna install some platinum seats on my truck. So these are the seats right here. See, platinum. You have from 21 to 23 F150s. You have everything right here, and it's not the seats, it's just the covers. So yeah, guys, gonna get started on doing the whole install. And these are my old seats. So they're already all black. These are covers as well. They're all black. But as you know, this is a platinum clone, so we gotta go with the platinum seats. So we're gonna do a little tutorial on how to swap these out, guys. So come on, and don't mind my roof. It is getting redone. Just been watching my videos. I know I have a 6-speaker. Give me a second. I have a 6-speaker headliner, but I sold it, and now I'm getting a new one made for the truck. So yeah, guys, let's start on this, and I'll show you how to do it. So the seats do have 4 clips, 2 in the back and then 2 in the front. And it is a 13mm socket. It has 2 in the front and then 2 in the back. So let's go ahead and take these off. So once you remove all the bolts, you do have 1 clip right there, but you can just remove that one once you take out the seat. But you can just take it out like halfway, and you should be able to take out the clip. So I'm gonna start by taking off the headrest and then this top part as well. So you can see it does have zippers. So go ahead and zip it up, and then you're gonna have it. All right, guys. So I have removed the top cover and the headrest as well already. So all it has is a little clip around here, and you just with a little screwdriver just put it in between and like pry it out. And then it also has another one up here on this edge. All around here, it has another one holding it down. And they do have an airbag on the sides. So what I did on mine was I unplugged it, took it out. I don't know if you can see. It's in between the little pouch, the white one that's hanging. It's in between that. But since I took out those from a crashed truck, it doesn't have the little pouch. So right there, I just took out the airbag from the pouch and put it back in here, plugged it in, and the bolts are right here. It's a 13. No, it's actually a 10mm bolt. It's just 2 holding it down. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and take off the bottom piece. So guys, this is 1 seat done already. You can see. Notice that on I guess these seats on my truck, they have less padding on the middle, so that you can kind of see how it goes down. I'm guessing the platinum seats have a little more padding all the way around. But there it is, guys. That's how they look. Yeah, it's time to put them back on and do the driver's side.